Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Deliveroo application. First of all, open App Store or Google Play Store on your phone, and then you have to download and search for Deliveroo application. Once downloaded, click on open. Now it may ask you for your location. You have to give the location permission to the application so it can tell you which restaurants are near to your location. So on the home page you can scroll down and check the dashboard if you like anything. So if you want to search specifically, then you can also go to the restaurant section. Here you'll be able to see so many restaurants from which you can deliver food. You can also buy groceries through Deliveroo application. All you have to do is select groceries and you can shop the items you want. And then there's another tab called shopping. If you select that, you can also search for brands. For instance, you can buy clothing or anything else with the help of Deliveroo application. You also have a search bar on the top. All you have to do is search for instance, if I want pasta, I will search for the pasta, and it will give me all the restaurants which are providing or offering pasta to my location. For instance, I can check the ratings. I can check how much far it is from my location, how much time it will require to reach me. For instance, it will take 30 minutes. This restaurant will deliver me in 25 minutes. So it also have a low delivery fee, so I will select that. Now it's added. I will select view basket, and then it will give me an estimated time of that. It will deliver in 25 to 45 minutes. And here's my overview of my order, and simply select go to checkout. Now you have to create an account in order to order from this application. So you can continue with Facebook, your email address, your Google account. Once done, you have to give in your payment information. Once you have added your payment information, and you're good to go. Simply order anything with the help of Deliveroo application. And that's simply how you can use Deliveroo application. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.